Multilateralism is not an option, but a necessity, as we build back better and greener for a more equal, more resilient, and more sustainable world.
China's commitment to working through multilateral channels, to upholding multilateralism, and the growing commitment and investment we've seen in multilateralism from China is very encouraging. China has stepped up in the development field, in the humanitarian field, and I think that's hugely valuable. And I think as the UN inevitably, as countries turn inwards because of their COVID needs and their recovery needs, the continued engagement of many large countries will be very important.